I sit by a tree, and then my mind gets clear. Then I'm able to speak very naturally, and even in my own language. So it also depends upon how clear your mind is. So these two factors are also affecting me while learning languages.
Mm-hmm.
So
Right.
yes. So it also I learned from the Lord of the Rings. While reading it, I read the sentences outside aloud, and then I watched it in the movie. Most of the book is also there in the movie. So that's how it helped me. So that's why I don't know, I felt like very comfortable in speaking native British accent, but not exactly, but I was very comfortable in listening to that. Then now I'm able to get the difference between various accents. Earlier, when I started learning, it was a bit difficult for me to get which accent is Australian, which accent is American. But now I'm able to distinguish very clearly. By listening itself, I can tell where he's from.
Mm-hmm. That's good. It's with practice that you improve.
Yes, yes. As you told me that I will keep on listening to them, the films, and I'll keep on listening to the natives. So that's what I had to practice more.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It just takes time. And it's normal. It's normal that you don't
Yeah.
understand. Sometimes I don't even understand what they're saying because they speak too fast. I'm like,
Uh-huh.
what did he just say? And they don't
Uh-huh.
pronounce things properly sometimes. So
So
yeah.
were you learning any Indian languages?
No, I'm not learning Indian, but I can't answer any more questions this because I really need to speak to John now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Glad
like
to talk
time.
to you today. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, no, I'm glad to speak to you too. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care and keep
Take
practicing.
care. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Bye. So,
Bye.
Ellie, Jin, can you please help me because there's a bunch of crazy things happening in the comments. So just kick people out if they're being disruptive. Thank you so much. Because if I see anyone writing in foreign languages now, I'm automatically gonna kick them because I'm gonna assume that they're saying things that I read. So write in English and stop making fun of each other. Hello, John.
Hello, Ten.
Welcome. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Good. Are you ready to read our next tip?
Okay.
I'm going to share it. I haven't shared it yet. I need to find where I'm at. So we did tip 16. We did 17. And now we're doing 18. I like number 18. So please read number 18 for us. I have just shared it.
Okay. Try to write a short diary entry in English every day.
Yes. Try to write a short diary entry in English. Do you do this, John? Do you write anything in English?
No, I never write in English. Recently, I want to learn English because one of my colleagues from Germany, we are a good friend. We want to deep communication.
Okay. So how often do you speak with each other?
I think every day we can speak a little because we work in the same workshop.
Oh, okay. But writing, what about the writing part? Are you gonna do a diary, like a journal?
No, I never write diary.
But why don't you?
Because my education is very low. I just graduated from junior high school.
But what does that matter? If your education is low, you can get a paper diary and you can just write one sentence a day in English.
I don't have a systematic education in learning English. I just learn English from the app online.
Okay, but I'm giving you tips on how to improve your English. So this is a tip.
Okay. You mean I
It's
need
my
to write in?
My suggestion to you to improve your English, to keep improving, is number 1, speak more.
Speak more.
Yes, speak more in English. So try to speak as often as you can. And then my other tip is get yourself a paper notebook, and every day get a pen and write down one line that says just what you did. It could either be something so simple. Today I ate noodles for lunch. One sentence.
For the simple words, I can read, but sometimes I can according the pronunciation, and I can almost write correctly.
Yeah. So, but if you write regularly, if you write like one line a day, it will help you improve your English writing.
Oh, I understand what you mean.
Yes. So this is just like little tips and little things you can do to then become better later on, because it will all add up. You know, one line, one day, and then another line and another line. By the end of the month, you'll have 30 lines. You'd have written like that. Do you see what I mean? It will add up, and you'll get better, and you might want to write more, and you might want to send a letter. You might want to write a letter to your German friend.
Yes, because my company the boss is from Germany.
Exactly. So you need to send emails. You need to write. So this is my solution to the problem.
Yes, for the write email, I just write the Chinese character to the translation app.
That is lazy. That's lazy. Your goal to be able to not need the translator. Imagine that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you keep relying
because
on the translator, you're not gonna improve.
Because sometimes I'm afraid I will make a mistake, and the people will misunderstand.
But okay, fine. Like in work, yeah, check with the translator. But I'm talking about in your personal life. You're not sending your notebook to anyone. You are doing this for yourself to improve your writing, so that you don't need a translator. So the more you do this, then the more confident you will be later on.
Yes, I will try.
Yes, try it and let me know next time how you're doing. I would like to know. I want an update. So this is your homework, John Feng.
Okay, thank you. And I have another question to ask you.
Yes.
It's when I listen the English comprehension about the daily life, I think I can understand easily. But for the news, it's hard for me to understand. When I listen 4 or 5 times, I cannot understand. I will see the text, but for me, the text I can understand, but slowly. I think that's why I can. That's why I can't understand when I'm listening.
When you listening to the news.
Yes. I can't understand, and when I see the news, the text I see, I can understand, but spend more time to understand. Do you think this is a problem? Why I can't understand when listening?
So I am just thinking, in Chinese, so in your own language, when you listen,
No.
wait, in your own language, when you listen to the news, do you feel like it's really different than daily conversation? Like in your own language, is it different? Do you feel like the news information is different?
Yeah, different. If the content is about a new technology or chemical,
Okay.
I don't know about this
Exactly.
field. Yes.
Exactly. So compare it to the news in your own country. News in general, right? News in general, it isn't conversation. It's information being sent to you. Sometimes it's quite it's quite specific about things. It's quite specialist, and you might not even understand or know enough about that area. It might use technical vocabulary. It will use a lot, like the vocabulary used in news will be a lot wider.
Yes. Sometimes even all the vocabulary I can understand, but for the listening, it's very hard.
But also they're delivering the news at maybe like a faster pace because they've got specific time, and it can be formal language. So this is why. Generally,
Yes.
news is not easy to. Even I'm like, what are they talking about? What did they say? Huh? Sometimes too technical. So, it's just practicing listening to different things. Like, that's why I say don't just always listen to people having a conversation. That's why I say listen to TED Talks, listen to the news, listen to podcasts, listen to these
Yes.
things so that you can pick up, like, be able to understand a wider range. It will improve.
Yes.
It will improve. And if you can, put subtitles on. If you can, try to pause it and maybe look up the words that they're saying that you don't understand and note them down. Maybe it's very scientific news and you need to research that area. Maybe you don't understand enough about what they're talking about.
Yes.
Don't worry. Don't worry if you're finding the news difficult. News generally is difficult.
Yes. I think I must step by step.
Yeah, step by step, exactly. And try to pause it. Try to make sure like there is a subtitle or a transcript so you can actually read it as well. Look up the words that you're not sure about, and then if you do hear something, you can always write it down and then ask it in classes like this, where there's a teacher, where there's someone explaining. You can say, I heard this sentence. Can you explain to me what does this mean? And then we can help you. So this is what this voice room is for. This voice room is for you guys to
learn English.
But learn English, but by asking the questions. So what are you struggling with? That's why I make this room available, so that I can answer your questions. If I know the answer, I'll give you the answer. If I don't know the answer, I'll point you in the direction where you can find the answer, right? Most of the time, people come to this room and they waste time. They don't think smartly, right? If you're thinking smart, make a whole note of the things that you don't understand that you come across in your studies, and use this room as the opportunity to ask anything and everything that you're not sure about in learning English. That's what it's supposed to be for. It's not supposed to be, oh, hey, how was your weekend? Did you have a fun time? Who gives a shit? What we are trying to do is work out what your problem is.
This is a
Fix it.
academic voice room.
It is an academic, but people confuse it and think it's like a social party time. It's not a party time because we are not at level 19 yet. We get to level
Yes.
19, then I throw you a party and I send you goodie bags.
Yes.
But until
Okay.
then, we are seriously learning English. So, if you struggle with grammar, if you say to me, I want to know what the present continuous means, you can ask it and I will explain it. That's what this room is for. So, for the news, try to read the transcript. Try to,
Yes.
write down what you don't know.
Yes. Before I heard a teacher told me, he say, you as you are a Chinese, you just can understand what you can read.
What does that mean?
When you want to understand listening, and you must you can read first, then you can understand the listening probably.
Mm-hmm.
When you can't read, you cannot under listening.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think this is sensible?
I find that confusing. I don't understand what they're trying to tell you. I don't get it.
You don't get it. Sorry. I think.
No, what I don't get is what that teacher is trying to communicate to you. I don't understand. It's not you, it's the teacher. No input, no output.
He say when you want to listening something and understand it, you must you can read. When you read, you can understand first. Then you have opportunity to
But this is what I'm
listening comprehension. Yes.
No, but this is what I'm telling you. I'm saying to you, it doesn't always make sense, right? So, if you listen to something and you don't understand what they're saying, then yes, read the subtitle, read the transcript. But even if you read the transcript, you might still not understand, and you might have to do research to understand what they're talking about. So it doesn't just always mean that if you read it, then, oh yeah, suddenly you'll understand. You might not. And that's what I'm saying to you. If you read the transcript, if you see that, oh, this is such a difficult sentence, what is it trying to say? That's when I said, come to the voice room with the sentence and we can go through it and explain it. Don't assume that you will understand everything you've read.
Yes, I think so.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, anyway, don't worry about it. Everyone has their way of learning, and feel free to come and ask questions when you don't understand something, and I'll do my best.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let us move to another.
Yes, we will move to Sevda. But all right, thank you, John Feng.
Thank you, then.
It was nice meeting you. Good luck with everything, and don't forget your notebook.
Thank you.
Sevda, hi.
Hi, I'm still